Pecans are set. We got peanuts, pecans, walnuts. Now we'll see if the squirrels come. The birds are all chirping. Oh, there's a squirrel coming. Come on, guys. We just loaded it up. We gotta hope to get some donations in soon. This is getting very expensive. What you doing, little fella? They're up there. Go up on the fence. You gotta get some water. Oh, what'd you run? Oh, somebody ran. He got spooked by a bird. Yeah, right? It's okay. Go up. Sometimes the wind or the leaves spook them. The birds definitely spook them. Yeah. Hopefully we can get some pecans in the next week or so. It is the end of pecan season. And yeah, last March I got that 3,000 pound donation. So hoping get something similar. Now I got a second place too, so got a couple of places that are helping us out. One told me the last week of February, that was Georgia pecans. Lane Southern Orchard, I'm just waiting to connect with the business manager there, Bill. He's a great guy. He's the one who donated the 3,000 pounds, which was awesome. That really helped. But it's gotten really expensive. Try to keep up with the pecans, the peanuts, the walnuts. I mean, it's just expensive for sure. And with all these tariffs and stuff going on, I mean, who knows what the price of things are going to be. And we try to take care of all our wildlife, and we feed everything out here. And then the squirrels are a huge part, and the birds. And we got the cats, the alley cats. Anything that can walk up to our back door, really, or fly up, gets fed here. And me, I'll be probably eating frozen pizza for dinner. That's the price we pay. But I wouldn't trade it for anything. Yeah, we're helping out the animals. Look how bright the red bird is. It's been cloudy for the last 2 days. We got a little bit of sunlight coming in, as you see here. That's pretty cool. It's warmed up some, but it's supposed to be getting cold again. I just saw Stormy. I just gave her a pecan. I suspect she will be back shortly. Stormy come running up to me while I was loading the shelf up there. So of course I had to stop and give her a pecan. Come on, little guys. Yep, you got one. There you go. You got a peanut. A lot of these little ones. We got so many babies out here. All of them running around, getting a feel for the land. Oh, there's another one coming down. Oh, there's one right there. Get in there, buddy. Who is that? Almost looks like Stormy. Got everything right there, but there you go. No, he dropped something. What did he drop that for? That looked like a pecan. Oh, it's Stormy. She's picky. She's very picky. Come on, Stormy. I got a big one here. Yeah. That's a huge one, Stormy. That's good. All right. Look at that. She even dropped that smaller one. There was a smaller pecan there. She likes the big, fresh ones, I guess. Oh, come on, guys. Go back home, Stormy. There she goes. She's back there. Be careful, Stormy. There's lots of stuff there. What do you want, little guy? You gotta get up there. Come on. Yeah. Who is that? Who is that? Come on. Come on. Yeah, I got one here. Here. Who is that? Is that you, Sweet Pea? Come on. Come on. Here you go. Oh, there she goes. She took off. Loud music. Scared her off. Our neighbors just came home from across the way. Who's that? Come on. Come here. Yeah. Who is that? All right, come here. Let me grab one. Here you go. There you go. Be careful. Who's that? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on up. Who is that? Who is that? Come here. Here you go. It's right here. It's right here. There you go. Be careful. Yeah. The squirrels bouncing around. Oh, who's that up there? You watching me while you eat? Oh. It's a good spot right there. Oh. Another one. Little one. What you doing here, little one? That's a weird place to eat you. Oh, I just heard the oven go off. Preheating the oven for my frozen pizza, pepperoni. Alright guys. Oh, hey, very nice. Hey, John. These squirrels are funny. Plenty of food out there, guys. Alright guys. Alright, let me get to my dinner. Oh, who's that there? Who's that there? Here we go. Who's that? Stormy. Pick something, Stormy. One second, Stormy. Alright, let me see. I got one more left here. I do. Stormy, here you go, baby. Nice buddy. What's wrong with this? The only one I got. Alright. Alright, guys.